dust kicks up where the blacktop ends, past the church and the old grain bins. A flag waves proud on the courthouse lawn. It's small, but it's where I'm from. Country USA, where the fields meet the sky, where the tractors hum and the eagles fly. It's a patchwork quilt of work and grace. You'll find my heart in country USA. Main Street's quiet by 9:15, but the diner's bright with an open sign. A boy in boots walks his girl to her door. These moments don't ask for much more. Under the stars, the stories grow, in a place only the locals know. Country USA, where the fields meet the sky, where the tractors hum and the eagles fly. It's a patchwork quilt of work and grace. You'll find my heart in country USA. From the mountains tall to the river bends, from the dirt roads winding to the sea's edge. Every mile tells a tale, every face holds a name. It's the soul of a nation, not just a place. To the river bends, from the dirt roads winding to the sea's edge. Every mile tells a tale, every face holds a name. It's the soul of a nation, not just a place. Country USA, where the fields meet the sky, where the tractors hum and the eagles fly. It's a patchwork quilt of work and grace. You'll find my heart in country USA. From the mountains tall to the river bends, from the dirt roads winding to the sea's edge. Every mile tells a tale, every face holds a name. It's the soul of a nation, not just a place.